Well, here we are back at the liquid drop fractional, addfractional drop of the rippleizations of splitting, and see how you can put these in the liquid and then test the ripplingwizational phraseology. But if you had another string on here and dipped it in the water or dipped it in at a different angle, like if these were slanted a different way, and you would come to a fraction on the scale of landing somewhere in the middle or the edge or outer edges in the beginning of the ripplingwizations, leader fractions. Yeah. Then I came to this rolling of dot, this rolling of coin dot trail of measures of global slanted tool rolling on time measures, measuring wizations of times. Like if you had a slant, it was different. But if you had like a staff that had strings on it with the globes measuring wizations at an angle wizations of fall meant to time still meant to stoppment at different adder level fractions. Like if that first one had a spike in it, when you rolled it down at an angle of 45 degrees with the strings on it, and they was all like that, and the other one had a hill, and the other one had a dip, and if you rolled these at the same time with the same leader fractions, but would they really come to an equalizational tool of the star system's wizationals, lightable nights of infractional countment of the liquid fractions? Like that liquid drop right here, we was back to the rolling of coins. If you keep rolling them on them, flash mountain wizational sweeps, or if you was to drop these into the liquid and keep them at a hovering wizations, like that apple seed, I just left it hovering in the water cup for the ripplingwizational count fractional mixed wizations. On the flash sweep mountain will eat of the coloring wizational shape numbering wizations of leader fractions. Yeah, it depends what type of grip you had on it when you angling wization. You had that staff and you started rolling them all at the time. Maybe you didn't start them all at the same time. Maybe it's a different leader fraction. But the liquid air sedimentary or day droppable rippling wizational functions of sections of the nidal lights rolling or reading or crevice or in grooves in and out rereading or of the world encryptions of the world abilities from a liquid dropping in hovering wizational rippling wizational hovering lead hold held fall road of the speed rippling emotional movements of the liquid wizational volume motional retractance of the netted or streams of the rolling emotional time of the rippling flows graph direction. It's all about the items and objects you use and the angles you hold them at, and you recurve them and spin them on ball bearings like that clipboard. It's all 7-row drop or slant, just a groove definable wization or designables rolling on speeds, or it depends what type of slant you had it at too. See, the slant speed is all the falling of verticals of elevations of itemization or object of those restarted or last liable ingrainable hovering wizational ends of destinational stop times and speed wizationals of the periodical bodies of the arc body of one-sidable creation. You see, it's a sticky acoustical sky skin out here of the flash rolling or global nutritional site past futurizations of the air ionical granulational charge of the near elasticity's dazzling friction of the huge bring mental dimensions of existence and existence. Flowing a student.